Embarking on the quest of spiritual awakening is to set forth on a profound journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. This journey, though deeply personal and unique for each individual, shares a common thread of expanding one's consciousness beyond the physical realm and into the spiritual. The term spiritual awakening often conjures images of profound epiphanies and supernatural experiences. However, it's much more than just a collection of symptoms or mystical events. It's about awakening to a deeper reality that lies beneath the surface of everyday lithium reality that is intangible, yet more real than anything perceived by the senses alone. To recognize the call to spiritual awakening is to hear the subtle whispers of your inner self, urging you to look beyond material existence and to seek answers to the fundamental questions of who you truly are, why you exist, and what purpose your life serves. It's a call that often comes during moments of stillness, when the noise of the world falls away, and you can hear the voice of your own soul. As you respond to this call, you begin to realize that expanding your consciousness is not simply about enhancing your intellectual understanding of spiritual concepts. It's a transformative process that involves the heart as much as the mind. It's about developing an intuitive sense of the interconnectedness of all life and understanding the profound impact your thoughts, emotions, and actions have on the world around you. This expansion of consciousness can lead to a greater sense of peace and contentment as you start to view your life and the challenges you face from a higher perspective. You become more present, mindful, and accepting of the present moment, finding joy in the simple things that you may have previously overlooked. Moreover, a spiritually awakened consciousness brings with it a sense of unity and empathy towards others. You begin to see yourself in others and recognize that at a fundamental level, all beings are seeking happiness and trying to avoid suffering. This realization can foster a deep sense of compassion and a desire to contribute positively to the well-being of others. The path of spiritual awakening is not linear, nor is it always easy. It requires courage to face the unknown aspects of yourself and the discipline to continue seeking truth, even when the path becomes challenging. But for those who choose to walk this path, the rewards are immeasurable. In essence, spiritual awakening is an invitation to live a more conscious, purposeful life. It's an ongoing journey that encourages you to keep growing, learning, and evolving into the highest expression of yourself. It's about becoming fully alive and participating in the world with an open heart and an enlightened mind. In this exploration, you are not just a passive observer but an active participant in the unfolding of your spiritual destiny. As you embark on this quest, know that you are part of a greater journey shared by many seekers across time and space, all of whom have looked within themselves to find a greater connection to the world and the cosmos.